All right, still working on a little bit of trigonometry in Algebra 2. Hope it's going okay for you. We're up to the 7th problem that I've assigned for you in lesson 7-1. Find the distance from A to C across a gorge illustrated in the figure. So here we are over here. We've got this gorge. It kind of looks a little funny to look at it, but this is one side of the canyon, that's the other. And we're trying to find this length right across here. We were able to look across over here and know that this is 15 degrees. And we're on one side here, so we can measure that side. So this is just showing how you can use trigonometry to answer this question. We can visually tell the angle. We can measure this side, so we can calculate using trigonometry what we're missing there. So let's get right into it here. If I have the 15, that's the opposite side over here away from it. This is the adjacent side here at the 110. So opposite and adjacent, hopefully you remember opposite over adjacent, but that's TOA, so ka TOA. And so that's going to be my tangent. Let's write it down here where I can write the whole thing. Tangent of my angle, 15 degrees, equals my opposite side, I do not know, over the adjacent side of 110, showing how we can use this to solve for something we can't measure. We can't actually get all the way across the gorge. So how do I do that? All I'm going to do is I'm going to end up taking, and I want to solve for x, so multiply both sides by the 110. 110 times the tangent of 15 ought to do it. So 110 times the tangent of 15, switch this over and put that into Desmos. 110 times my tangent, 15, and it says 29. Double check just to be sure that we are in degrees. I think that's what I was using last. So the little wrench up here in the top right, and we're in degrees. So the 29.47 or 0.4744, and we were supposed to, in this problem, round to 2 decimal places. So 2 decimal places there, 29.47. Let's see how it likes that. 29.47. And there we have it. So just using a little bit of trig to solve for something. Sometimes I call it indirect measurement. You can't actually measure it, but we can calculate it out. Remember that right triangle trigonometry, sine, cosine, tan, that's just all based off from ratios. If you know the angle and you know the ratio of what measurement, it's nothing magic. So just spent a lot of time, somebody did researching it, figured it out. You could do the same. You got this. Keep at it. Search for your own YouTube videos if you need a little help. You can do it.